Vice's club Brighton had nothing to show for their Sunday trip to Dean Court. Steve Robinson struck twice in 3 first-half minutes. His second goal was quite brilliant, right out of the top draw. Steve Jones added to their lead 17 minutes from the end. His strike sparked a pitch invasion. Around 100 Brighton fans showed their anger at the club's plight. There's £6 million in debt that are set to ground share with Portsmouth next season. There were a dozen arrests. Brighton say they'll ban any fan arrested from the Goldstone grounds. Ian Chapman reduced arrears in the dying minutes.